In Webflow, GSAP can be integrated to add advanced animations and interactions to your website beyond Webflow's built-in capabilities. Here's how to use GSAP in Webflow. Include GSAP library. GSAP is a JavaScript library. Include it in your Webflow project by adding the GSAP CDN link in your project settings or directly in your page's custom code settings. Create animations with GSAP. Use GSAP's powerful API to create animations for elements on your Webflow site. GSAP supports various animation types such as tweens, timelines, and more complex animations. Custom interactions. Add custom interactions like scroll-triggered animations, hover effects, or click interactions using GSAP's event listeners and methods. Integrate with Webflow interactions. Combine GSAP animations with Webflow's native interactions panel to enhance and extend your animations further. For example, use Webflow to trigger GSAP animations based on user interactions or page events. Testing and debugging. Preview your site in Webflow to test GSAP animations across different device breakpoints and ensure they behave as expected. Publish your site. Once satisfied with your animations, publish your site to make them live and accessible to your audience.